6 natural remedies to treat throat infections. Did you know that gargling with salt water or baking soda solution is an effective way to treat throat infections? Both methods help reduce inflammation and kill bacteria. Throat infections are quite common and can be a painful experience. It can cause difficulty in breathing, talking and swallowing. Is there any way to alleviate this? In this video, we will talk about natural remedies for throat infections. Refer to this video next time when you have a throat infection. Treatment of throat infections. There can be many causes of throat infections, such as changes in temperature or during the transition from one season to the next. The use of air conditioning can also dry your throat, and this may exacerbate your pain. It may be due to the arrival of winter, but whatever the cause, don't ignore it. Failure to do so can lead to stress and anxiety. Throat infections can be caused by bacteria, viruses, or injuries. Some bacteria are more resistant than others and may require treatment with antibiotics. Sometimes throat infections can be due to a virus, but this only needs some rest for a few days. Thyme, honey, lemon, tea. Nothing is as simple and effective as the combination of these 3 ingredients. Thyme is a powerful preservative that fights bacteria. Honey, on the other hand, promotes healing, reduces inflammation and calms the entire throat. By combining thyme and honey with lemon juice, you can create a medicated formula that you can enjoy all day long. Here's how to make it. Add 2 tablespoons of fresh thyme to 1 litre of boiling water. Then add 1 lemon juice and grated rind. Boil these ingredients for 10 minutes. Remove from heat, then wait 10 minutes and strain the liquid. Drink this tea with 2 tablespoons of honey throughout the day and enjoy. Gargle with salt water. Dilute 1 tablespoon of salt with 250 ml of water. Gargle every hour with this mixture, but never swallow. Allow it to reach the back of your throat before spitting it out, then repeat. You can also use a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar or baking soda instead of salt. All 3 ingredients reduce inflammation, kill existing bacteria, and effectively treat sore throat. Number 3. Garlic, the best natural antibiotics. Garlic can be found anywhere. It is effective, healthy, and has no adverse effects. So why not give it a try to treat your throat infection? Crush the garlic, dilute it with half the water and drink it. Repeat this process twice a day. Sure, the smell of garlic is breathtaking, but it's worth a try. I'm sure it will get better much faster. Number 4. Chamomile tea. This remedy is used as a compress to relieve sore throat. It will reduce inflammation and relieve some pain. Here are the steps to follow. Prepare chamomile by adding 3 tablespoons of herbs to a glass of water. Once the chamomile has soaked in, put the liquid in a bowl, moisten a towel or cloth and apply a compress to your throat. Repeat this process each time the compress loses heat. Ideally, get 10 to 20 minutes after applying the compress. Number 5. Turmeric and green tea. This remedy is very simple and effective. The combination of green tea and turmeric is a great way to treat throat infections, helps reduce inflammation and speed recovery. Prepare green tea as usual. When the water boils, add half a teaspoon of mashed turmeric. After soaking for about 5 minutes, drink with a small amount of honey to sweeten it. You would definitely feel better. And finally, number 6. Get enough rest. Your body is fighting infections. The only way you can keep it going is to get enough rest to maintain your natural defenses. So make sure you are sleeping properly. There is no harm in taking a little extra rest. You will feel better much faster. If you are sick, you should sleep for 10 to 11 hours a day. So take a nap and get enough sleep at night to recover